Can you instantly track your staffs and ensure their safety when emergency occurs? The Personnel Positioning System by Formosa Electronic Materials Division is explosion-proof certified. The real-time staff tracking solutions feature numerous advantages as following. 1. Improved security. Real-time staff tracking across factories, construction sites, and care facilities ensures personnel safety and visualizes movement within the premises. 2. Easy installation. No wiring or piping required. The system is quick to install or remove, saving time and labor costs, while integrating easily into existing infrastructure. 3. Customized geolocation mapping data. Customized maps, based on operational needs, allow precise tracking in each area, improving monitoring and safety management efficiency. 4. Flexible transmission options. Compatible with 4G and LoRa, the system minimizes the number of deployed devices and operates effectively in confined spaces. 5. Geofence. Specific area can be defined as geofence. Unauthorized alerts are equipped to ensure personnel safe in authorized areas. 6. Rapid emergency response. When a safety incident or sudden inactivity is detected, the system tracks real-time movements to support swift evacuation and personnel recall. 7. Emergency call rollover. In case of discomfort or emergency, pressing the SOS button triggers an automatic call to the control room. If unanswered, it will rotate every 25 seconds to safety officers and supervisors until a response is received. 8. Smart Card Management System. Facial recognition-enabled smart lockers automatically distribute and collect ID badges, reducing manual workload and providing secure charging for wearable devices. Formosa Electronic Materials Division specializes in automation system integration and independently develops its personnel positioning system, seamlessly combined with a smart safety management platform to improve workforce safety and resource deployment. Backed by advanced technologies and hands-on experience, we are committed to helping our clients optimize operations and achieve higher efficiency. If you're interested in implementing a personnel positioning system, contact Formosa Electronic Materials Division today.